And welcome back. Today is day 8. It's also our Thursday. So, of course, I am sitting in the car waiting for the truck to warm up so that I can go to the thrift store. My sister, unfortunately, cannot come with me today because she has the plumber coming to her house to do some work on her water softener, which they've been having some major problems with lately. And they cannot figure it out. So hopefully, cross your fingers, there's nothing major that they have to replace. So, yeah, so I'm all by myself today at the thrift store. So because of that, I also thought that I would go to the antique mall, because that's not something that my sister really likes to do, and I haven't been there in a really long time. I think I went once this past summer, so I would like to go today, and I think I'm going to take you along and do a little shop with me video while I am there, so that should be fun. I'm obviously going there to look for some vintage holiday decor, and of course to look around at other things as well. So since it is Thursday, we are also shaping up to have a very busy day. Zoe has volleyball as per the norm, but it's also baking day today, so I want to get started on my cookies. I normally bake 4 types of cookies: sugar cookies, snickerdoodles, peanut butter, and chocolate chips. So I'd like to get those done today. Probably not the sugar cookies, but at least get those mixed up and put in the fridge, and then tomorrow we'll probably cut them out, bake them, and decorate them. But the rest of it I think I can get done today. And then, yeah, other than normal pickups for Emily, that is my day. So it should be a fun day of shopping and baking. So I'm excited about that to get started. So I will stop chatting and I will see you at the thrift store. Bye. It is chilly out here. The snow is starting to come down now. I'm so excited. Everything this week has been melting. It has been so warm that all the snow, we had a nice, cover of snow, and then everything started melting. And like my front yard, hardly any snow left. My backyard's just like ice packed for the dogs to slip on. So this is exciting. I'm hoping we get at least enough to cover the grass again to make it pretty for Christmas, but we'll see. So I have just pulled up to the thrift store, so let's go inside and see what we can find. So I am done in the thrift store. There wasn't a whole lot, but they did have their 50% off of holiday seasonal things. So I picked up some Christmas stuff that I didn't really need for my techie Christmas collection. But yeah, I spent like $8, so I am pretty happy with that. So now I am going to stop off somewhere and grab some lunch. It is 11:30, and then I will go to the antique store. Woohoo! Right, I have arrived at the antique store. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna go inside and see what I can find. Alright, so I am done at the antique store. And I don't know what it is about this place that I go to. I went last year and there wasn't very many holiday things. I went this year again. I don't know if it's this year because it's so close to Christmas, like they've sold everything, or if they just don't put out very much. I don't get it. There was, you know, a handful of booths out of like the hundreds of booths that they have that had anything sort of Christmassy. So I didn't buy a single Christmas thing, but I did manage to buy something. And when I get home, I will show you because it's super adorable. So now I am sitting outside of a different store. It is called Touch of Home. And this one is kind of like an antique or kind of newish, kind of a country store kind of thing. It's kind of hard to pin down. But they have some cool stuff in there. And they have antiques and they have newer things. So I'm going to go in there and check it out. It's one of my favorite stores to shop at. So let's go see what they have. Well, that was a bust. The store is moving to another location in January, so there's hardly anything in the store right now. So I spent maybe 5 minutes in there. I was tempted about one thing, and that was about it, but I decided not to go for it. So I guess at this point, I'm headed home. See ya. Alright, so it is a little before 7 o'clock. I just got back from dropping Zoe off at volleyball, which we both almost missed. We were both taking naps, and we both slept through our alarms to wake up. So there was a mad dash to get her there. Got her there barely on time. She had like 5 minutes to spare, which is not how she likes to do it. She likes to be there really early. But that's alright. She got there on time. That's all that matters. So I've got 2 hours here before I need to go pick her up. And I thought I would get started on my cookie baking. I have not started it yet, but that's okay because I had a glorious nap and I feel energized and ready to tackle. And Fanny is whining at me. What is going on? You already had dinner. Yeah, you already had dinner. Oh, now I'm getting attacked by both dogs. Hi, alright. So I'm going to get started on my... Okay, down now. Down, down, down. That hurts, Mama. So I'm going to get started on my cookies. And, yeah, so I'm going to make, for sure, going to make snickerdoodles and peanut butter cookies tonight. And then get the sugar cookies mixed up. If I'm feeling really ambitious, I will roll some out, but I doubt it, so... Also need to make dinner yet, but it's just spaghetti tonight, which is fine. That is super easy to make. I had to bribe my husband. I went to get my stuff out, so I got my mixer out, I got everything ready to go to start making cookies, and I realized I only have 1 egg in the refrigerator. And my husband had just came home, and he was going down for a nap. Poor guy, he only got like 3 hours of sleep last night. And he's like, it's not spaghetti night, is it? And I said, yes, it is. He's like, oh. I'm like, well, you know, you could run to the store and get me some eggs, because I just realized I have no eggs to make my cookies with. And you could get yourself a steak at the same time. So I bribed him with a steak. And that is going to work out perfectly for me. So he went to the grocery store for me, which was awesome of him, because I feel like I've been running around all day long. So that was nice of him. So I'm just kind of waiting here, twiddling my thumbs at the moment until he gets back with the eggs, and then I can get started.